And someone is just looking to add a little bit of density as after they've had a baby, or maybe they're just getting a little bit older, we would just do one baby fine piece just to give them that thickness. So it's not necessarily about adding a lot of length, it's just about adding thickness to their hair. So for the most part, I say yes to women, and all the artists that I've trained, I encourage them to work with people, as opposed to just saying no, because nobody ever wants to hear the word no.
Nobody wants to hear no. And plus, you know, it just gives you that bit of confidence.
Yeah.
You just need a little bit of help. So how long does that take, you know, to do something like that? Roughly?
Oh, it's so fast. So one row only takes about a half an hour to put it in. So it's very quick. Yeah. And the hair is reusable. So you're spending a good amount of money on the cost of the hair and the service, but then as time goes on, you're just paying for the service fee as opposed to having to buy new hair. The hair itself lasts 1 year.
And then you just have it cut if you need to.
Right.
That's it.
Yeah, and you treat it exactly like you would treat your own hair.
Cool.
With the ROIL products, like all those deep conditioning treatments go really well with the hair extensions. And you just treat it exactly the way you treat your own hair.
Yeah. Baby your baby and baby yourself.
Yeah.